Aldol condensation between two different aldehydes or two different ketones or between one aldehyde and one ketone is called crossed aldol condensation. Aldol condensation between two different aldehydes or two different ketones or between one aldehyde and one ketone is called as crossed aldol condensation. If both the compounds contain alpha hydrogen atoms, it gives a mixture of four different products. Let us take a simple example and learn about crossed aldol condensation. CH3 C double bond OH and CH3 C double bond O CH3 is there. On the arrow, dilute sodium hydroxide is there. Means this is aldol condensation because both the compounds have alpha hydrogen atom. So here you will get four different products. Now let us see first product obtained. Let us suppose think that only aldehyde undergoes aldol condensation. Means CH3 C double bond O H. I am teaching you one shortcut here. Write the aldehyde, one aldehyde like this and another aldehyde write like this. Means you separate the alpha hydrogen atom. So remove this double bond, put this alpha hydrogen atom there and form a bond between this carbon atom and this carbon atom. Again I am repeating, this is shortcut for aldol condensation. Write two aldehydes in such a way that one aldehyde is written normally and the other aldehyde alpha hydrogen atom you write separately. This hydrogen atom should form a bond with oxygen and this carbon atom and this carbon atom should be bonded together. So what will I get here? CH3 COH H CH2 C double bond O H. This is the first product. Now let us see second product. Second product, let us suppose this ketone is undergoing, only this ketone is undergoing aldol condensation. So write this ketone like this, CH3 C double bond O CH3 plus write the other methyl group, other alpha ketone in such a way that the alpha hydrogen atom is written separately. So what we learnt, write this hydrogen with oxygen, form a bond with this hydrogen forms a bond with oxygen and this carbon atom and this carbon atom will be bonded together. Okay, so what will I get? CH3 COH CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. This is the second product. Now let us see third compound. Third product obtained. Now in third product what I am doing, it is between aldehyde and ketone. I will fix the aldehyde molecule and use alpha hydrogen atom of ketone. So what I told you, this hydrogen should form a bond with oxygen and these two carbon atoms should be bonded with each other. So what will I get? CH3C OH H CH2 C double bond O CH3. This is the third product. Now let us see fourth product. Fourth product, I will fix ketone here and use alpha hydrogen atom of aldehyde. So write the alpha hydrogen atom of aldehyde separately so that it will be easy for you to write the product. What I told you, write this hydrogen will form a bond with oxygen and the two carbon atoms will form a bond with each other. So CH3 COH CH3 CH2 C double bond O H. These are the four different products obtained in crossed aldol condensation. In crossed aldol condensation, either the two carbonyl groups can have alpha hydrogen atom, or at least one carbonyl group should have alpha hydrogen atom. Now let us see if only one carbonyl group is having alpha hydrogen atom. CH3 C double bond O H plus C6H5 CHO. On the arrow, dilute sodium hydroxide is there. Now fix the carbon atom, fix the carbonyl group which is not having alpha hydrogen atom, and write the other aldehyde where there is alpha hydrogen atom like this. Now what happens? This hydrogen forms a bond with oxygen. So what is the bond formed here? C OH H CH2 CHO. This is about crossed aldol condensation reaction.